Turnkey Flow's flexible payment plans, why they help beginners, and simple action steps to start. Excuse me. Sorry. All right. Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's going to take a whole lot of pressure off your shoulders. And honestly, it's one of the reasons so many beginners are finally getting into digital business without stressing over money. We're talking about Turnkey Flow's flexible payment plans. Why this such a game changer if you're starting from scratch, and the exact steps you can take today to set yourself up for simple, doable wins. If you've ever said, I want to start, but the upfront cost stresses me out, I need a plan that works with real life, I'm scared to invest before I make money, then stay with me because you're going to walk away from this video feeling lighter, clearer, and ready to move. Remember, we're creating a new normal for you, a normal where starting a business doesn't require debt, fear, or giant leaps, just your willingness to take one step at a time. Why flexible payment plans matter. Let's talk real life for a minute. Most people aren't sitting on stacks of cash waiting for the perfect time to start an online business. They want a way in that doesn't wreck their budget, doesn't feel irresponsible, and doesn't require them to hope something works. Flexible payments change the entire conversation. Here's why. One, they remove the financial barrier so you can get started today. You don't delay, overthink, or talk yourself out of an opportunity. Two, they break a big decision into calm, doable monthly steps. Starting a business becomes a normal part of your monthly life instead of a scary, all-at-once investment. Three, they help you build momentum while learning. You're not paying to wait, you're paying to build, set up, launch, and grow. Four, you stay in the game long enough to win because many people quit before they ever even start. Payment flexibility changes that. Turnkey Flow understands this. That's why the payment plans exist. They're designed for real people with real budgets who are ready, but still want breathing room. The mindset shift most people need. Let's clear something up. Starting with a flexible payment plan isn't a sign that you're strapped or behind. It's a sign that you're strategic. Smart entrepreneurs protect their cash flow. Smart entrepreneurs reduce risk. Smart entrepreneurs choose options that let them start now instead of waiting for perfect conditions. Let this sink in. Getting started imperfectly beats waiting perfectly every time. In the online business space, speed matters. Action matters. Getting in motion matters. And that flexible plan, it's your green light, it's your momentum starter, it's the thing that gets you out of the stands and into the game. What Turnkey Flow actually gives you. Flexible payments are helpful, but they matter because of what you're getting access to. Here's what Turnkey Flow sets you up with immediately. A proven beginner-friendly system, step-by-step setup, tools that eliminate the tech headache, a business model you can run without experience, a product you can start promoting, clear traffic steps, content strategies that help you stay visible, a supportive, action-taking community. Here's the real win. You're not buying a dream, you're buying a method, a system that works when you work it, at your pace, in your season of life. Action steps to take today. Let's break this down so simple that you can do it today because clarity builds confidence and confidence creates momentum. Action step number one. Decide which payment plan matches your season, not your fears. Ask yourself, what helps me start confidently? What lets me stay consistent? What feels doable this month? Choose the one that keeps you moving. Action step number two. Enroll using the flexible option that fits your goals. Give yourself the green light, even if it feels like new and even if it feels a little nervous. Remember, new goals require new moves. Action step three. Complete your setup within 48 hours. Don't drag this out. Momentum happens when you do what's right in front of you. And action step number four. Share your journey publicly. This is how we build visibility, trust, and audience. You don't need results yet. You just need willingness. Action step number 5. Ask questions. Get support. Stay plugged into the community. This is a do with you journey, not a figure it out alone mission. Why this is doable. Here's what I want you to hear. You can absolutely do this. People way busier than you, way older than you, way newer than you are doing this all the time. Why? Because this system is simple, actually. The steps are clear, the plan is flexible, and everything you need is inside. You don't need more time. You need a starting point, and you have one right here. If you're ready to start your digital business without the stress, if you want a calm, steady way in, if you want support while you build, then Turnkey Flow's flexible payment plans are your on-ramp. Start with the plan that fits your season. Start with the plan that lets you take action today. Click the link in the description to enroll with a flexible plan and get your business started. Your future self is already thanking you. All right, friend. I'll see you on the inside.